Welcome back to another In 60 Seconds. In this one, I'm going to give you one tip that's going to instantly make you into a better filmmaker right now, here, today. Let's have it. Okay, so what is this magical, mystical tip that's going to instantly make you into a better filmmaker? It's actually really simple. Less is more. You need to be much more minimal with your edit. I've built a video production business and hired editors, and one thing that I see all the time with new, rookie, up-and-coming editors is they're constantly trying to add a transition to every single shot change or some crazy effect on every single shot. If you watch high-end commercial work that you see on TV, how often is it using back-to-back crazy transitions? Never. And how often is it using absolutely insane effects? Very, very rarely. So there it is. If you want to take your videos to the next level, sometimes you don't need to be doing more. What you need to be doing is less. Your composition, your lighting, make sure your settings and your framing are correct. Make sure you're shooting at the right time of day. Take all those things into account, do them really well, and you know what? You don't always need a crazy transition. Sometimes a nice little cut is just enough. Okay, that's it for this In 60 Seconds. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a little comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.